How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's her name? Yes, I do. I have 1 elder brother, David, and 1 younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family. What do your mother, father like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, no, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us.